Hey guys, I'm so bored. There's nothing to do. Well, how about we go fishing? Ooh, I want to go fishing. Huh. Fishing doesn't seem like a bad idea. Let's go. Hey, so, do we have what we need? Fishing rod? Check. Check. Boombox? Check. Wait, where's the bait? You mean those bags of worms I found? Yeah, I ate them. Electro, you idiot! What? I was hungry. And besides, worms are pure protein. Gross, dude. Anyways, all you have to do is grab the fishing pole like this and, yeah, then reel it in when you have a fish. Next! In that case, this fish is a Mixel. Oh my god. Wait! I thought Flame and Critter destroyed all Mixels. Well, like a Hydra, when you kill one thing, they replicate into more things. Oh! That explains it. Well, we would have a lot more luck if we had any bait. I have an idea. We could max to find our fish. Okay, fine, let's max. Oh man. I forgot how how good it felt to be me. Now anyway, what do I use as a fishing rod? I lost my fishing rod. Ooh, you'll have to do. Ooh, I think I got a bite. Let's take a look at ya. Oh wait, oh no, I'm about to defuse. Aw man, I miss being a max already. Shut up and pick up what we got. Okay, let's see. It's a boot. Are you kidding me? We maxed all for a fucking boot? Yeah, you know what? Let's leave. There isn't fish here today.